Well, what's this? I'm trading unboxing video. We have two right now and then one later. One thing I know is they go in like 20 minutes. I really want to see the second thing I got. I'm gonna say that. So for Christmas is in 2021. I got a new light, a newer for a new light. Well, the bullshit thing, I have three now. That's two, or I have had for a while. They came with the stands. And sometimes the whole light is not very good. This may not work. But the new ones don't come with the stands anymore. So I got these going. Which is bullshit. The new ones are ill right now. And then I'm for cutting. I look cool with that, really good at cutting. They had to order a new standard light. I haven't eaten it yet. It's still boxed. Okay. I'm not going to do that. Just dumb. There's the stand for the light. What I didn't know is this is actually a tripod. There's a little cap. I found that out when I was buying it. Very cool, actually. Alright, now the more exciting of the two packages. The brush press on it, but I have it to get away as well. This is a Cisco 2960 used O2 energy switch. I think the Cisco and everything glass and quality equipment I learn better by doing than anything else. I bought one to do so with. Will I go on my network rack? Not for a while. That was put it on there? Possibly. Alright, let's go. Alright. Nice, fit in the rack, that's looking at it. And I'm not. Hang on, put it in for a while. Anyway. Where does it take it? There. One. There it is. Ow. 2960. That's the P ports. 24 ports. And 2015. I'm gonna do with my router. Alright. This is cool. Very cool. I'll probably try to do with it for a little bit. But yeah, for now. Yeah. I'll see y'all later. Probably tomorrow with the unboxing. I got about half an hour to work. Right, about an hour and a half. But I'll hook up with it. See what it does. Alright. Let's go ahead and quick and do the unboxing because I've been ordered for 7 hours. I just don't care. So no lights, I don't care. They got them. I was getting kind of a lot of snow. I want to see what I ordered at the beginning. Hope it is. See what I ordered. Part of it's for. Yeah, I see it. My first one ever. I got 8 interval batteries. I went bad, so I got new ones. And short. Oh shit, goddamn. Fuck. Oh no. They're too short. Fuck. Oh man. VGA goes really short. Maybe too short. Fuck. I'm on the wrong thing. I got a ski mask. They're right for the snow. I'm gonna go on the bike instead. Nah, for the snow. I have blown the snow outside in the driveway. I can have it a bit warmer. This is right This is really cool. That looks good. I look like. This is pretty cool. I feel should not like it. I look so this ugly too. What the hell? Let's just go. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Alright. So for the unboxing, I want to add some notes here to the ending. It's not what I'm unboxing I think at this point. Because I don't really know until I test things out. So the 2960 light stand and batteries work just fine. I think the other thing is the new light stand right there actually on the right here. My right or left that I'm using right now. It works just fine with the light stand. It's kind of hard to fuck it up. But it's weird because my other lights, I got the same lights, the same light as my other two. And they came with the stands, now they don't. Kind of scummy in my opinion, but whatever. The road will move on, right? The thing that I did use for plowing snow. If I get any fucking ideas with Mother Nature, I'm done with that shit, it's April. But I did that when I was plowing some white stuff on the yard outside. And it kept my face nice and warm. The VGA cables, I should have gotten them longer, 6 inches. It's not quite long enough. That's what she said. I could have got photos too, I think. Would have been better. I think I'm trying VGA switch. Or VGA KDM switch. Kind of piece of shit I'm starting to learn. Because it doesn't work at the time, but whatever. But I did a VGA to each my adapter to work right before. Because that needs a cable on it too. And I swear for that would be just fine. So, I'll still put them to good use, which is good. They're not going to be wasted forever. And VGA is kind of outdated, but I do love older stuff, so it'll still work out. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And listen guys, take it easy.